Hi, my bellas. Welcome to a new vlog. Oh my goodness, we did not have a vlog last week, but my learners bullied me and said, babes, you need to vlog. So here I am. It's a Friday. I think I looked nice today. I was on that great tip. So guys, I am currently on my way to T-Cash to just do an install. It's Mother's Day weekend, so maybe I might go out. So I just want to look cutesy. This week I wasn't cutesy. So yeah, as I'm going to say good T-Cash, and then tomorrow we are going to watch All Way to Play. So when we get back from T-Cash, we'll just stop by ShopRite and get some snacks and water. I don't have a small cooler box, guys. I must give myself a polar box or a filled bar. I don't know. But yeah, so howing. I didn't even introduce myself. Okay, I am Tebo, guys. CE_BOW for those who are new on this channel. But if you've been here and you've been a Belepi, welcome back, my love. Asambeli. My thoughts, mate. I took a video inside. I think it's before this clip, but I was like, I like looking like this. Like, as when I'm in guys, I look pretty, but hey, professionally done. Even I do not recognize myself because I just look so damn beautiful. But Monga's jelly actually. Monga's jelly when I ain't actually, so yeah. I look cute. Okay. Let me go home. Such a pity that we look this cute and I have to go home. Look at that. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. I am definitely not going to be using the Protea route. Zongena nje phakathi. Zongena ngeDikloof. Yini like ngiyongena ngeDikloof sham. Ukhumbule mina, like, you need to remember, mina ngisebenza local. Local, so into the traffic angzaz, and when I like experience traffic I get frustrated because it's something I am not used to. Okay, I'll hopefully when I use the Dikloof route it's not as bad, because I know if I'm going to use EN12 and get to Protea I am going to be stuck yet again. So it's moving, yes, but you can see we are all heading in the same direction, and that's not good. That is definitely not good at all. So I sing any ordinary day. Till you came around, I had my feet on the ground. So much for that. Just an ordinary day. Till you came around, and now my life's upside down. Imagine that. babes. We're back home. We're back home. Having dinner now. This is my dinner. Let me show you. My supper. This is my supper. It's a Friday, so we're doing some pap, steak, and coleslaw. To end today here, and we will catch up tomorrow on a Saturday. Love you, my bees. Good morning, my babes. It's a Saturday morning. I've already taken a bath. I just want to quickly do sandwiches. We are going to watch Olutu play. For those who do not know, I'm a netball mom, and my daughter just is like so passionate about netball. And I hope and I pray that this yields something for her career-wise, because she's like genuinely very passionate about it. Yeah, let me not talk too much and let me just get into the preps.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
I am back from Olutu's game. So as you just saw, guys, I quickly had to upload work for my grade 8 because some of them couldn't complete the work, so I had to just quickly upload. So now I'm just going to go and do my face. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly freshen up first, then do my face, and then head out for the graduation bri. I don't really know what I'm going to wear. I don't know. But this girl always has a plan. So I'll figure something out. My outfit is going to be very simple because we're going for a bri. I'm wearing these jeans from Mr. Price. I'm wearing my bodysuit. I'll wear these Samba Rose, Adidas Samba Rose. And then I will have, why don't you move it? Yo. And then I'm gonna have this leather jacket. Then I'm going to accessorize Wild Lux looks and Wild Lux looks. So yeah, that's me, and then I'll show you when I am done. Okay, my belly bees, we are all dressed. This is our OOTD. I'm just gonna do a quick recap. I actually changed my jeans, guys, because the jeans that I was wearing is yo, Mr. Price, when I catch you. But anyway, I am wearing Ama Samba Rose by Adidas. And then these pants, I got them at the Fix, I think last year. And then the bodysuit is also from the Fix. The jacket is from Legit. Then the bag is Wild Lux Looks. And then Wild Lux Looks. Makeup by me, of course. You know this face, guys. You've seen this face a million times before. So yeah, right now it's 25 to 6. The party started at 3, but I told I didn't tell her rather, but I think she would have figured out I might be late because I was coming back from my daughter's netball match. So yeah, let us go to the bride. I am just such a short girly, guys, because tell me why are my jeans literally on the floor? Why are they on the floor? But I look good, I look relaxed. So jacket, I really like this brown leather jacket, but I don't think it's suiting for this outfit, so just changed into this mini trench coat, and I think I like this look a whole lot better. All right, it is 10 to 6 now. It's in Hambi, guys. It's in Hambi. I'm so late, and I want to start at the liquor store and get her like a champagne to say congratulations. Like, I can't be late and giftless, you know. So let's just go. Yeah, let's quickly go. We'll start at the bottle store, guys. I don't know what is because it achieves nile, and you okay, let me go. Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Guys, I am on my way to just hang with some other girlies. I didn't even get a chance to do an OOTD because English is key. So I literally spent the entire morning looking for Iski and his tool. So Timising Papama, so I couldn't do an OOTD. However, I'm just wearing this knitted dress and I'm wearing my pumps, and yeah, no makeup today, just going barefaced, and yeah,
Now the light has left the dark, I feel when I reach for him and he's not here. Many times have come when he is gone, yet I find the strength to carry on. But then I turn around and everything is changed. He will reach for me and lay his hands upon my face. But when I feel his touch, my love will overflow. He is real to me. Now I know he
Love this life for me. Love it.
My love, stay.